What happens to your body when you drink carrot juice daily? Carrots are considered to be one of the most popular vegetables. It is also versatile because it can be eaten cooked, raw or juiced, and comes in a variety of colors, such as in shades of yellow, purple, red and white. The characteristic color of carrots are produced by beta-carotene and some amount of alpha-carotene. Also, it consists of zeaxanthin, lutein, and gamma-carotene. They are also a rich source of vitamin A, B, C, K, minerals and fiber. Below are the 5 health benefits of carrot juice. 1. Boosts immunity. Juicing carrots give you in its concentrated form all its essential nutrients. Having just 1 glass daily is said to help in boosting immunity. It helps your body fight against free radical damage, protects it against harmful viruses, bacteria, and inflammation. Carrot juice also contains vitamins and minerals such as K, B6, phosphorus and potassium, which contribute to a stronger nervous system, bone health, and improve brain power. 2. Cholesterol and blood sugar maintenance. Carrot juice work perfectly in maintaining cholesterol and blood sugar levels. This is due to its potassium content. It is low in sugar content and calories, while the essential vitamins and minerals it contains, collectively work to prevent diabetes. Also, it increases bile secretion, which helps in burning fat, thus helping in weight loss. 3. Cleanses the liver. Carrot juice can help in detoxifying and cleansing the liver. Regular consumption of carrot juice can help in a lot in releasing toxins from the liver. The bloodstream cannot rid the body of bile and toxins through the kidneys. They have to be removed from the skin. Carrot juice helps in this process and make sure that the harmful bile is removed from the body. 4. Increases metabolism. Carrot juice contains phosphorus, which boosts your body's metabolic rate, ensuring optimal use of energy in the body and help decrease pain after a workout. Also, carrot juice is loaded with high amount of vitamin B complex, which helps in breaking down fat, glucose and protein. It helps in muscle building and increases metabolism, thus helping in weight loss. 5. Prevents cancer. After digestion, some of the waste particles remain behind in your body, which are known as free radicals, and they can do damage to the cells. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods helps in fighting against these free radicals, thus preventing the possibilities of the development of cancerous cells. Research reveals that per 100 grams of carrots, contain about 9% vitamin C, 5% vitamin B6 and 33% vitamin A, which collectively help in fighting against free radicals.